Hello everybody and welcome to Caldera Creative Creations. Today we are working with a beautiful swag wreath. We got some beautiful little ornaments. We got this big Christmas bulb on a wire. Got some of these crystal little icicles. We got some pine cones. And we got a beautiful assortment of some Christmas bulbs. We got some poinsettas. We got another big Christmas bulb. We got some beautiful happy holiday ribbon. We got one small one, 50-inch. We got the larger one is 116 inches. So with that said, let's clear. Oh, we got our wire and our wire cutters and our scissors. Let's get this started. Let me clear our table real quick, and let's bring this beautiful swag over so we could get this started. We gotta first put on our ribbon. Look at all these beautiful Christmas bulbs. Just don't want them to be falling. Okay, now I'm just gonna puff this old guy up a little. I'm kind of trying to work in like an oval shape, you know. Get smaller at the end like this. Okay, we got this. We're just gonna make a small little tail, like 6 inches. Excuse me. 6 inches, and we're gonna make our loops like a little 11 inches. So that'll be about 6. Double check. Yeah, 6-inch loops. Then we're going to take the other one. I'm going to bring it over here like that, everybody. Look at that. And then we're going to go up. Check if it's even. And we got that. We're going to bring this up here. We're just going to attach it on. You guys see that? Attach that on there and get it puffed out. And we're just going to make slight. So I need some ribbon. Just gonna get a little bit of ribbon here and kind of get this one right here, a little poof, and attach it to some of this. Let's get some wiring right here. Put it. There we go. This is a wired ribbon. Okay, we got that one there. Now we're gonna work right here, go down. So we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna make our small little 6-inch tail. My poinsettias are falling. We're gonna go right here, and we're just gonna go down that way, and we're gonna make our loops. 6 cents. Grab another one. Let's take it over here like that. Bring them up. There we go. Just bring that over here and insert it with this wire. You could use, you know, thinner wire to put it on. And we're just going to go down right here. Right here, I think, yeah. A little bit. I'm going to take another one. Take another here. 2. That one there, look at that. How it up. Start working myself down this way. And we're going to do another one. Make sure you have enough tail, you know, kind of let it flow. You guys see all that? Grab another one. Twist it. There. Get this one right in here. Right here, this one. Puff it up. Wow, look at that. I'm just going to get another little piece of some wiring. And do the bottom. I'll just get my light little tail like that. Get one right here. That. And just tie this on. Ay, ay, ay. Attach that like, what am I doing? There. Then attach that right here. There you go. We got the ribbon now, everybody. Look at that. Okay, we got that now. We're just going to get these beautiful poinsettias going. Put one in here. Attach it with the wiring. We're going to get another beauty down in here. Just that with this wiring. Okay, we got that going now. Let's bring our beautiful Christmas bulbs. Ay, ay, ay. Back over here. We're just gonna get this bold one. These are just normally the ones just search your Christmas bulb in and put them together, and there it is. Ay, ay, ay. Where is it? Insert the Christmas bulb in. There you go. Kind of put them together and kind of tight, not too tight, and twist them. We're going to get this big guy up here. Pull it tight and not too tight now, but get it kind of where it holds on in there. Look at that. There. Now we're going to just work our way down. Some more over here. Those are getting floppy. Okay, and then we're just going to work our way down. Da, 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 da. You cut off the excess wire. This poinsettia is just not. There we go. Okay, now we got it. Just work our way down. Let's get the some more over here. You guys see? Da, 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 da. big old guy's gonna go in there. Let's get some more down here. This has a big bulb white, huh? Let's switch these. Get this big guy in here. You guys see? Ah. Okay. I'm not squishing our ribbon. Puff that up and let's see. Excuse me. Put this blue one over here. That one there. Got one more, everybody. Where are we gonna put this lovely? Right here. Gotta think about, we got our pine cones too. Trying to make this a full one. There we go. These going. Let's see. Let's get our pine cones. Beautiful pine cones up in here. Where are we gonna get these, love? Let's go on in here. And that one already got something attached, huh? Way in here. We're going to attach it to this one. Way down in here. I got it there. Okay, let's get another one down in here. Beautiful. How's it looking, everybody? Thumbs up or leave a comment or just a hello. Nice to hear from you guys. How's your Christmas going? I still got to do some more Christmas shopping. Just too many people in there. It's just, ooh. But we shall get it done. Ay, ay, ay. Where can we get this beauty now? One more pine cone, buddy. I think we're going to squish this guy up in here. Well, not squish him. We're just going to fit him. Look at that. And there that is. Look at that, everybody. Wow, so beautiful. Let's get our ribbon going. Let's puff that up. Puff this up. Wow, look at that. Got that one going. This one. Wow. Okay, let's get our icicles going. There. Get another icicle up in here. Look at that. Okay, let's get our little booties. This little berries, frosted berries. Huh. Ooh, look at this, everybody. Woo. There it is. We made another beautiful swag. Tried to get it to be full, and look at this. Wow, see, I'm learning too. I love this journey we're going on, and it is so much fun and so much therapy. Once again, everybody, check this out, what we made today. Beautiful pine cones, some Christmas bulbs, some icicle-y looking ones, some little frosted berries, some poinsettias, some beautiful pine cones. What a beautiful, beautiful swag we got today. Just visualize and you'll come out with the beauty. Look at this, everybody. Wow. Once again, everybody, if you got any ideas or inspiration or just enjoyed my channel, consider pressing the subscribe button and you will be notified of my upcoming videos. You'll also be helping my channel grow, which it is. With that much thanks and happy, safe holidays to everybody. We still on that Christmas roll. So stay tuned for some more lovelies. And everybody, get that beautiful smile on. And stay
Ho,
tuned.
ho,
Thanks for
ho!
watching.
Merry
Like and
Christmas!
share.